Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make any drive or folder unopenable in any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, let me show you by going to this PC. So right now I can open any drive or folders. So you can see I can open any folder or any drives right now in my respective Windows computer. So how you can make any drive or the folders unopenable in your Windows computer. So for this, what you need to do is just press Win plus R on your computer keyboard to open the run, and in the run you need to type one command named as gpedit.msc. just type this command, and once you type this command, hit enter, or you can click on OK to open the local group policy editor, as you can see here. So now you can see here under the user configurations below, you can see here administrative templates. Just click on it, and now you can see on the left side arrow icon. Just click on it. Now below you need to select this Windows component. Just select it, and once again click on this arrow. Now you can see here on the below list File Explorer. Just select it. Now you can see on the right side tons of options. You can see here, just scroll down below, and you can see one options written prevent access to drives in from my computer. Just double left click it. Now you can see here options by default it is being set to not configured, right? So just let us select this enable, and now below you can see restrict all drives. You can select particular drives only. I will just keep it as default, restrict all drives. So if you select this, then it will be applied even in the external drives also once you connect it with your respective computer. So I'll just click on apply. Now click on OK. Now let us check whether it's working or not. Now let me try to open this drive. So you can see this operation has been cancelled due to restriction in effect on this computer. Please contact your system administrator. So let us try to open the folders also. So even we can open any folders too. So this is how you can make any drive or folder unopenable in any Windows computer. So if you want to make it openable again, just head over to the same settings and just set it to not configured, and click on apply, click on OK. Now you can close this local group policy editor. Let us check it back. Voila, now you can open it back. So this is how you can make any drive or folder unopenable in Windows computer. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find any difficulty in using this video tutorial, feel free to leave your comments below. I will try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.